Alright, now I have all 6 cells balancing on this charger that can balance up to 1 amp, but right now, because it's playing catch up on cell 1, which is at 4.22 volts, and the rest are much lower. Oops. What am I doing here? I'm somehow got into all these options. There we go. Once I could sell 1 down from 4.22 volts, it should be able to start charging at 1 amp. And then they should be top balanced. Now once they're top balanced, that BMS should be able to take over, no problem. We had actually 2 cells at 4.22 volts. The balancing actually starts before 4.2 volts, I noticed, because I put a load on here and kept draining it, and the balance light stayed on till about 4.16 or 4.18, right around there. The balance lights turned on. Really like that early balancing. Well, early balancing for the average cheap BMS. This BMS is about $50 or something like that, so it's not super cheap, so I guess they do a better job. But yeah, it's worked really well so far. Very happy with it. And once that's balanced, or that balances the pack, we're good to go. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid again, and I finally did what I said I was going to do. I turned this single hose air conditioner into 2 hose. So this is the intake. I got a much larger 5-inch pipe, and then this is the exhaust. This is a 4-inch pipe, so it's much smaller, and I have this one pointing to the side and this one's pointing down so the rain can't get in. This one, I at least feel like when it's raining, this will be on most of the time anyways. The rain's not really going to make its way in there. Plus, if you look at the top, that's what you see. And if it starts raining hard, I might flip it around. But I'm leaving it like that for now, because before it was blowing directly down in front and then taking in this warm air, and it's quite warm. I set it down to as cold as it could go about half an hour ago or 20 minutes ago. And let's see, it started off in the 80s in here. What are we down to? Well, I have it set to Celsius, so we'll have to turn some lights on. Oh, it's definitely noticeably cooler in here, obviously. Get a remote. Let's see. It's 20 Celsius. It's 68. It's down to 68 in here. Wow, that's really good. That's great, because I like it nice and cold. When it's hot outside, I like it cold inside. This is working really, really well. It is taking, does it ever focus, about 800 watts. 800 watts, and what do we got coming in? 400 watts coming in. Those panels are super dirty, by the way. Ooh, excuse me. Come on. Focus. There we go. So, the intake for this is right through here. I can feel it pulling, so I have this pointed way down. I sealed the bottom off. The bottom's completely sealed. Where I can't see. Oh yeah, you can see it with the foam and spray foam. It's all sealed. And another problem I was having with this thing as a one hose system is I could smell sewage coming from the bathroom, and man did it stink. Every time you went in here. Now, it smells great. Well, it doesn't smell great, but I mean, you know what I mean. It doesn't stink anyways. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna work a heck of a lot better. I have been warned that when it does reach 30 degrees outside, sometimes these things don't work right when you convert them. We'll find out. Either way, this works already much better. Like, look how cold it is. Oh, I have it set to 17. It's at 20 right now. Very impressive. Very happy with it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's going off grid again. And we got the converted 2-hose AC running. And it's keeping the trailer at a nice 68 degrees in here, and it's 24 outside. So let's see, what is that? 24 outside. So 20 inside, 24 outside. It's quite nice. The trailer is in full sun. So yeah, it is going down though in temperature as well. So it's nice. 4 degrees, I'll take it. It's only 8,000 BTU. This trailer really should have something more like 12,000 or so. Brought the 4,000 watt and the lithium power battery pack, 1.6 kilowatt. That I was just running a coffee maker with. Got the Briggs & Stratton outside. That's giving me power for this right now because I'm saving my batteries for tonight. Everything's working great. Maybe I'll show you guys the cottage and what I've been doing up here.